student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe. I'm your science teacher from City Institute of Computer Sciences from class J4. Today, I'll teach you the Unit 7. Unit 7, the study of matter. And now we can start our reading. Our first topic will be the method of separation. Chemists separate substances from each other to find out what is in them. For example, imagine salt and an iron fillings are all mixed together. Here is a way in which we can separate them. We can remove the iron filling by using a magnet. We can put the remaining substance into water. The salt will dissolve, the sand will not. We can strain the liquid through a filter. The sand will be separated. We can heat the water till it all evaporates. The salt will remain. As you've seen in the above examples, different methods are used to separate different mixtures. Filtration. Filtration is a method used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid. The filter paper is folded into the shape of cone. It is placed into a funnel. The mixture of insoluble solid and liquid is passed through the filter paper. The liquid part of the mixture passes easily through the tiny holes of the filter paper. The solid particles, which are bigger than the holes of the filter paper, remain on it. This is called the residue, and the liquid which passes through the filter paper is called the filtrate. Sedimentation and descentation. This method is also used to separate insoluble solid particles from a liquid. First, the mixture is kept undistributed so that the heavier solid particles settle at the bottom of the container. The setting of particle is called sedimentation. Then the liquid from this mixture is poured off into another container by tilting the container very gently. The pouring of liquid in this manner is called descension. This method cannot be used for light particles like those of chalk. Why not? Particles of chalk are lighter and they do not settle at the bottom. Instead, they remain floating on the surface of the liquid. Evaporation. How do we get salt out of seawater? Salt is soluble in water. You cannot see the filtration method to separate soluble. We cannot use the filtration method to separate soluble substance from a mixture. To remove salt from seawater, you will have to use another method called evaporation. Do you remember what happens to water when it is boiled? It changes into steam. It evaporates and the salt remains into the container. In this way, the salt is separated. Magnetic method of separation. Magnets are used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. Electromagnets are used to sort magnetic materials in scrapyard. Dear student, we can finish our reading next week. Now we can start our lecture. Unit 7, the study of matter, page 70-71. Our topics are method of separation, filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, magnetic method of separation. Our lecture point: why chemists separate substance from each other? Because to find out what is in them. Example: magnetic dissolve, filter and evaporates. What is the method of filtration? Filtration is a method used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid. What is sedimentation? The setting of particles is called sedimentation. What is descension? The pouring of liquid in this manner is called descension. What is evaporation? To remove salt from seawater to use another method called evaporation. Dear student, now we can finish our lecture. I hope you can understand. Now your home task will be the topic magnetic method of separation. Allah Hafiz student, stay blessed, stay safe and stay home.